how to invite friends on Falou. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can invite your friends on Falou. The first step, of course, is to launch the Falou app on your device. So after launching the Falou app, you'll be brought to the page automatically where you'll be asked to, where you would see your courses, okay, and the way it has been arranged for you. And then once you can see all of this, you can see different lessons and different groups and all of that on this same application. Then by the lowest part of the screen, you can see three icons, namely courses, words, progress. Okay. So on the progress page, you would see that the top right side, you can see a gear icon which stands for settings, as well as the language icon that you're learning on the Falou app. By the time you click on your settings icon, you can see it is being displayed already, and then by the time you click on the country icon, you'll be asked to subscribe to Falou Premium. Now, a major thing you must notice that while or for you to be able to invite your friends to use Falou, you would have to subscribe to Value Premium. Yes, it is because only Value Premium allows you to invite your friends to join the Value app. And then how do you go about it? On the progress page, move to the top right corner, click on the language icon, and then or the country icon or logo, and click on yes, use all courses, and then click on continue on this get unlimited access to Falou Premium's page, and then you would be able to subscribe to Falou Premium. After being subscribed to Falou Premium, besides the fact that you have more advantages, you will then also be able to invite your friends when they invite your friends to join the Falou app and then gain more value. All right. So if you are trying to invite your friends, ensure you upgrade to Falou Premium and then go ahead and do that. Thanks for watching and have a good day.